Welcome to the bulk product upload tutorial for Orderflow. Start by logging in to your admin dashboard. Go to Products, then click on All Products. Select Bulk Import. Next, download the Excel template or open the Google spreadsheet, whichever you prefer. If you're using Microsoft Excel, click Enable Editing to continue. Now, fill in your product details based on the template. SKU is optional. If used, it must be unique and at least 4 characters long. Product name is required. Selling price is required. It must be a non-negative number. Initial stock is required. This is the starting quantity available for sale. Weight is optional. Product description is optional. Backorder. Enter 1 to allow sales when out of stock or 0 to prevent it. Has variance. Enter 1 if the product has variations, such as size or color. Otherwise, enter 0. If the product has variance, enter the attribute name and then the attribute values, separated by commas. You can add up to 3 attributes per product. Repeat this process for each product, adding 1 per row. When you're done, save and close the file. Go back to the bulk upload section in Orderflow and upload your file. Valid entries will appear on the screen for review. You can add product images, adjust stock and pricing for variance, or remove any invalid entries. Once everything looks good, and click Finalize and Create. Your products are now added to Orderflow. Thank you for watching.